Yes, excuse me. Can I get this?
Hello! Well, Johnny has just interrupted our lunch twice, and we thought we could do this way better. So, we are currently in a busy Clownfish lunch, and then something about the events team being really busy. Cam's new.
They go on a event team social this week. We're prepping for some of the busiest weeks of the year.
This is another take, my food's ready. Okay, hello everybody. This week we are looking at an events team social, and we are also looking at I'm not used to being in front of the camera. So we're prepping a lot of part-timers. What's happening this week? There's so much happening this week. You can't believe it. It's just going to be the best. It's just, you're going to see the episode and you're going to go, wow, that was amazing. It's going to blow your socks off, basically. Watch the episode. Please watch the episode. I would love it if you did. Goodbye.
Hello. You've invited me over to Unit 2.
I have. As you can see, there's a little contraption being built for you, Charlie.
What are we doing? What's going on?
I'm going to show you off some of our kit and how powerful it can really be for any event that we do. It's going to be fun. It's going to be loud as well. So, sorry neighbours. You said go all out. I'm going all out.
Oh my goodness.
No. Okay. Here we go.
What did you think of that?
That was big.
You are distracting the sales team.
Can you turn that down a bit?
Sorry.
We have fun.
Okay, Rush, that was pretty crazy. So I take it we have very powerful AV.
We do. We've got top of the line stuff here. Obviously you've seen our D&B out there pumping away. I do like doing little fun stuff like that, and we've got some pretty capable kit here, like as in we've put on festivals and stuff with the kit that we have here. We also do anything from conferences, big halls. Sorry, I'm just distracted over there by Ellie blowing up her tyre. Hi Ellie! But yeah, we've got some pretty nice kit here. When I joined, we used to just have an AV corner, which was just a little couple of bays of racking which had all our AV equipment in it. And now we've got a whole floor in this warehouse. It's very, very nice to have and very reassuring, because that means anything anyone wants, we know we can definitely do it because we've got the kit to do so. So the most rewarding part for me, which is one of the main reasons I did events, is that feeling of seeing someone that people want to see or people want to experience, and they're sitting there and they're smiling, they're having a great time. And part of the reason they're having such a good time is not just the person they're seeing, it's obviously everything else that they don't really realise, like the lighting, the sound, the video, all of the special effects, all of that sort of stuff. That fascinates me, but also I want to do something that helps everyone else out, and I want to make people smile. That's one of the things I think I've been highly praised for here at Clownfish, and I want to keep doing that, and the only way I can do that to the rest of the world is do my bit in something I enjoy, which in this case is AV.
Okay.
So what's up, Joachim? What's going to happen soon?
We're just preparing for our new starter training. We've got Cameron, who's joined full time, and then a couple of new part-timers. Here's Cameron, actually. So just getting them up to speed with our culture, letting them know our history. Yeah, we're going to give them some information about ratchet straps, loading the vans, some of our entertainment, our games.
What's the most important thing you think you have to onboard for them, like teach them?
I think probably the culture. We're not like every other events company. Hello, Alfred.
Hello, sorry.
We do things slightly different, and we want them to integrate into that culture as much as possible.
I'm not expecting you to have like massive energy all day, every day, because that would be relentless. But what I am expecting is in like with the client kind of wandering around, where there's any kind of clients present, we are actually bringing like massive smiles, big energy. Just make yourself really useful. Still, massive majority of our work just comes from people seeing us on events and going, wow, those guys were amazing. That was actually different. This is not just marketing guff.
A lot of times people come up to us while we're hosting saying, oh sorry, do you have a card? Like, really loved you guys. Like, the only way I can get in touch. Like, when you're hosting like that, you are selling Clownfish at the same time, especially when you're branded.
You're becoming somewhat of a leader, if you don't mind me saying. Is that? I mean, it looks like you're leading more of these events, and how's that feel for you?
Yeah, it's cool. It's cool since joining a year ago. It's nice. I was in their shoes a year ago. Maybe with not quite this intense of a training induction, but I think I would have loved to have had this, so I'm glad I can do it for them.
Thanks, Ollie.
That's all right, Charlie. Thank you.
Okay, so
I'm literally making some new tin cans for Snowman Alley for Christmas. The other ones are battered, so we're just updating these, making sure they look good. This is the result. We've got 3 of each, different designs on each. It's better than you, Charles. I say we just get rid of them, to be fair.
No, exactly.
But
just outsourcing my job. Like,
yeah,
too much.
I say we just get rid of them. But yeah, that's basically what I'm doing.
Hello, Mr. Weston.
Hello, Charles. How are you?
I'm doing good. You've changed somewhat in your role, have you not?
I have indeed. I'm somewhat going from an events coordinator to a creative assistant, with kind of working with Nathan Fox a bit more. I'm actually going to be put in charge of what we are going to call our overall branding spreadsheet, and that will kind of hold all of our branding templates for all of our games, all of our creative branding that we'll basically need repeats for. This is one we are going to send to Halifax, if we can use that. Me and Fox are actually currently working on a church house install, so we are going to go on Monday morning to go install that at church house for about a month. So we're going to build like a Narnia book. Customers walk through a Narnia wardrobe. But yeah, so I'll be doing a lot more of the creative stuff, a lot more out the box thinking, and yeah, creative freedom.
So today we're at Church House, Westminster. It's a lovely venue, and we are installing a Narnia-themed props and decor. So it's installed throughout the whole of December, and it's for all the clients that come in here. We've got a giant book that's going out at the entrance. We've got this giant wardrobe here. It'll be here, and then they'll go through the fur coats, through some trees, and then into their main room there. It should be pretty cool. So the install is finished. As most of you who read the book know, the kids go through the wardrobe. Now follow me. And there's, as you go through the fur coats, which we also installed, past the snowy trees, also us, and the famous lamppost. And this is for clients, so that's the reception room. And then they come through, big reveal. Charlie speed ramp that. And then they're greeted with this giant book that we have just installed. I'm about 6 foot, so you can tell. And we've also installed some, again, snowy trees and the lamppost again to complete the look. Very happy with that.
Hello, Charlie. Hello, everyone. Hello, Charlie. We thought we would do a very brief introduction to our events team. It's very rare to have us all here because they're off and off on events and doing whatnot in the warehouse. So I thought we'd do a very brief introduction to each of these people. There's one new face amongst us. Pause now and guess who it is. Cool. And one person has a birthday today. Pause now and guess who it is. Very good. Okay, go for it.
I am Alfie, and I deliver events.
And done, Alf. And
I'm Kalen, I run the warehouse.
lovely.
I'm Cam, and I'm an event coordinator.
It's his first day. He's got no idea what his job is.
I'm Nathan, and I deliver the AV department.
You look old, by the way.
I'm Alex, and I do the events as well.
I'm George, and I help Nathan do AV stuff.
I'm Joachim, and I'm also an event coordinator.
I'm wearing a hat because it's Nathan's birthday today, which is very exciting. We had lunch today with Nathan's favourite, Colin the Caterpillar. And with that in mind, we are off tonight to celebrate before the busy season, to put our feet up and enjoy ourselves, because we're about to enter what is the busiest 3-week period of our entire year. Nathan, if you could describe Christmas.
Organised, fun, chaos.
Cool, let's go. Where are we going tonight?
Gravity.
Gravity in Wandsworth. Should be fun. Let's go. We're actually late. Let's go. What are we saying?
I think I'm supposed to be interviewing you.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah. So, who am I here with?
You're here with Johnny. Who are you?
I'm Cameron.
Okay.
I'm new here at Clownfish. What do you do?
I am the managing director here at Clownfish.
Very nice. And where are we?
We are at Gravity in Wandsworth for our latest events team social.
Exactly. What is your favourite thing about the events team?
Wow. The events team is my favourite thing about the events team. I think they are very unique. They are different to any other events team in the whole industry. I think when you get to know them, as our clients do, that's what they fall in love with. That's why they come back to us every single time. Like, literally, if you read all the reviews, they just non-stop mention the events team. It all falls apart if our events team aren't like world-class, and they are.
We are really cool.
Yeah. Well, actually, you just joined. This is your first day. I mean, like,
I'm speaking on behalf of the rest of the events team who are over there. They are really cool.
Yeah.
I would like to be a part of that.
He will be. Good.
And to round it off, tell me a weird fact about yourself.
A weird fact about myself: I'm missing a big tooth at the back of my mouth.
we have to humanise him somehow. He seems perfect. He's the MD. We've got to give him some. Got to give him something. So our MD is missing a tooth at the back of his mouth, and other than that, he's pretty great. So amazing.
Welcome to Clownfish.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas! We've just been filming personalised messages to our clients, wishing them Merry Christmas. We hope you enjoyed the episode. Please do leave comments. As we mentioned, we love your feedback. It means the world to us. So from our team to yours, if we don't get to see you before then, Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year!